Welcome to Cosplayland, I am Alice and today I'm going to show you how I keep on track when I open my contact lenses to make sure I am using them safely and at the right time. Because you may have noticed from some of my previous videos that I kind of have a very big collection of contact lenses. And it keeps growing and growing, and I do have a lot because I wear cosplays every month and I'm always just making something new and testing new things, and the collection has become quite big, I would say. Of course, most of my contact lenses come from Mocha Queen, and they are sponsoring this video, and most of the contact lenses that you are going to be seeing today are from them. I will be opening this box and showing you what's inside, but first I'm going to organize all the contact lenses that I already have. Unfortunately, I will be able to use the help of my brand new cosplay planner to do so. If you don't know anything about my cosplay planner, it's a great way to organize your cosplays, your cosplay collection, and basically to just write down all those ideas you have in mind in order to make it easier for you to make your cosplays. The full planner is available in my shop, but in this case I'm just going to be using my contact lenses planner. And do not worry, because for me I think it's very important to keep you safe and keep your eyes healthy and safe. So I will be giving you for free this page where you can just write down all your contact lenses and all the times you open them, how long you can keep them open for, and all those little details that help. I will leave you a link in the description, either if you want to download the free planner or the full version as well. So let's go and start organizing contacts. First of all, you'll need to print the correct pages. Remember, if you are using my cosplay planner, you can click on the index to get to the correct page on the planner. The second lenses page comes with space to write down the model, for how long you can keep your contact lenses open, and if you have already opened or retired the contact lenses, among other things. Let's check my collection of contacts. Nice! Although this is only about half of them. You can see how I make sure they don't dry on another video. Before I start organizing these contacts, I want to show you how I used to keep track in the past of all my contacts. I used to use markers to write the dates on the back of the cases, but I realized with time they rubbed off and I was getting ink on my fingers. I don't even want to think about getting ink in my eyes, so this is definitely a better solution for me. Before each line of this planner, there is a circle where I can draw the colors of my lenses, because once I open them, I have no idea what the name of the contact was. In some of the cases it doesn't even say. And if I want to buy it again, I always struggle figuring out which contacts I bought last time. I try to add a few details like shapes or different colors so I can distinguish them. And you can use pencils or markers to do this. It's actually quite satisfying, and I love it. Then I just write down the information I remember, the model of the lenses, where I got them from, or how long I can keep them open for before they go off. This one is very important. Sometimes I don't even remember the name of a particular model, so I go looking for them on the shop page. Fortunately, you can type down the color of your lenses and search through the images until you find them. And there you have all the information that you need for them. I did this for all my contacts, and I am not gonna lie, it took me a while, but I was actually quite satisfied because now I know which contact lenses I own. As I do have quite a few contacts, I decided to print several pages of the planner and organize mine by colors. That way I can see all my pink lenses together, all the blues, all the reds, and I can compare them. I think you get the idea. And I also use the checkboxes on the side to write down if my contacts were open, new, or already retired and ready to order again. You can use a pencil if you don't want to draw the same contacts over and over again, but I really like seeing the different colors. I had a lot of fun chilling and coloring the pages with the different contact lenses I own, and now it is much easier for me to decide which contact lenses to use for my next cosplay. And most importantly, if I can actually use them or if I need to order new ones for the event. It is very difficult to remember each time the exact date on when you open the pair of contact lenses, and keeping track of them is definitely worth it for your own safety, so you really have no excuse, and you can download this for free, so why not give it a try? This is the summary of my current collection. I still have to add the dates and compare the pages with my old planner, but most of the work is already done. And I know exactly what you are thinking. Alice, there's no way none of those lenses aren't off. I have seen you using them before and it was months ago. And you are absolutely right. I have kept a few lenses in my collection for review purposes and just to show you in some of my videos, and also some of them just to remind me to buy a new pair because I really like them. But don't worry, because I keep those apart and I am absolutely safe and I am not using them at the moment. Finally, as I promised, these are the new contacts that I got this month from Moco Queen. This time I chose to review the Aquaman Yellow, the Anime 2 Pansy Violet, and the Green Werewolf. And I may have some spooky plans for some of these ones, so if you want to see me wearing them in the next videos, make sure you stick around to the channels to see all my new adventures. And remember to use my code alicecos on your next purchase to get a 10% discount on Moco Queen. So this is how I keep my contact lenses open. As you see, there is a bunch I haven't had the chance to try yet, and I'm just looking forward to wear them. I have so many plans for so many cosplays I want to show you that I literally cannot wait. So just to make sure you don't miss any of those, make sure to click the like button, the notification button and the subscribe button so you will not miss those cosplay tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed yourself and I will be seeing you in the next adventure. Bye! Oh, cut my head again.